Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Dune Awakening black screen issue on my PC. So if you're also facing that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is how I fixed it. So I got the game through Steam, so I firstly went into Steam and then I clicked where it says library right here. And then I just found Dune Awakening right here as you can see. And then I just right-clicked on it. And then I clicked on manage, or I hover over manage rather, and then clicked on browse local files. And as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is perfect. So now on this page, what I did is that I right-clicked right here, as you can see, then I clicked on properties, then I clicked on compatibility. And before, for some reason, I had this run this program as an administrator. I had this like ticked off, like by default, I think, for some reason. And I don't really know why. So I just ticked it off. I clicked on apply and then I clicked on OK. And then what I did is that I actually launched the game. So I'm going to show you now. So I launched the game. And when you're going to launch the game, you're going to click on Control, Shift, and then Escape. And we're just going to wait for it. And then you're going to click on Details. I'm just going to click on Launch here first. So we need to firstly launch the game. It might take us a couple of seconds. And I'm going to show you a second step exactly what you need to do to be able to try to fix this issue. So we're just going to keep waiting. Unfortunately, it is a bit slow sometimes, at least for me, to load. So we're just going to keep waiting. It should be done here any second. So basically, the thing you need to do in here, we're going to see, I think maybe we can do it right now either. Also maybe. So actually, I think this is the one. Yeah, so if you right click on this one, so click on details, find this one, Dune Sandbox right here. The one that takes the most in CPU, as you can see. So I'm just going to, oh, okay, it disappeared, sorry guys. So I'm going to click on Control, Shift, Escape now again. I'm going to find this one and then right click on it. Then click on Set Priority to High. Then click on Change Priority. And basically I did this and this actually fixed this problem for me completely. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.